Breaking news. Donald Trump's search affidavit was released by the DOJ today. In this video, we are going to look at the extensive detail that we learned from this document. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to be kept up to date with all the videos that are coming out. So, I have actually printed off a copy of the affidavit in support of the warrant to search and seize the Mar-A-Lago mansion of Donald Trump. Obviously, Donald Trump is the former president of the United States. There's a claim that he was holding classified documents in violation of the Presidential Records Act, as well as other statutes that are cited. But I wanted to go through this because it's about 38 pages long, and of those 38 pages, I want to show you how much substance is actually released from this redacted copy. So it says that the government's conducting a criminal investigation in the improper removal and storage of classified information in unauthorized spaces. So the claim is that they are investigating a crime for improper storage, removal of classified documents under the United States National Archives and Records Administration that was sent to the Department of Justice on February 9th. Apparently there were 15 boxes that the president had turned back into them after there were some issues of that, and claims that he was holding things that he should not be holding. On page 2 we see the first set of redactions, but there's not a whole lot of information there other than what the name of the Department of Justice agent is. Then there's citations to the law. There's some background information about the investigators' experiences, their code citations, and then on page 7 it begins the probable cause, which this is the substance of the affidavit. So it says on February 9, 2022, special agent in charge sent a referral, and then on the next paragraph, February 18th, the archivist sent a letter to Congress's Committee on Oversight saying that there has been communication in result of 15 boxes being sent back to them from the president. Then, beginning in paragraph 26, we see nothing. 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 We see one minor paragraph that doesn't talk about anything. We see nothing. Nothing. We see in paragraph 47 that there was a preliminary review of the 15 boxes by the FBI, that there were several that were marked as top secret, and that they were classified. That's one paragraph. And then there's nothing. Then there's some paragraphs 52 and 53 where there are claims that that there have been leaks and that the reports are false about him holding classified information that had already been declassified. Then the next page is nothing. 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 Then on page 77, he says what his belief is regarding the premises, and then the next paragraph is nothing. And then there's the conclusion and the request for sealing of the documents. And then the next page is simply an explanation of the procedures of how it all went and making sure that attorney-client privilege is protected. And then there's an attachment of a letter by the President's counsel stating that they have been compliant with the National Records Archive. So if you're looking for a smoking gun, if you're looking for any information to understand why the FBI raided President Trump's estate at Mar-A-Lago, you're not going to find anything. I mean, other than there's some generic claim that he was holding classified documents. Now, what's behind these redactions? Who knows? I mean, that's what everybody wants to know, because if you're going to raid a former president's home, I mean, imagine if this was President Obama or it was President Bush or President Clinton. You know, what do we want? We need to know if we're going to allow the government to to go into a former president's home like that, we need to know what the actual allegations are. We don't need to know what the documents themselves are, but we need more than what we've been shown. I don't understand what the point is here. They may as well have just refused to release the affidavit. This really doesn't add anything to the discussion other than giving clickbait for the media. So put down in the comments what you think. Maybe I'm just missing something. I've looked at the news articles. I mean, I've read this myself. I printed it off myself. I've read the statutes. There's just nothing here. But maybe you can point something out to me. Just put it in the comments. Let me know. Again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and until next time, stay tuned.